Sure. Okay, wait. I didn't get notification. Yes, I got it. Sure. Okay, wait. I didn't get notification. Yeah. Hi, Raj. Hi, Raj. Am I on the screen? Hello, everybody. Let's wait for some more people to join and then we'll begin our live session. And for those who are already here, welcome. Welcome to this Amul Facebook Live Cooking. So I'm going to prepare 2 dishes for you today. So let's wait for a minute. Let people join in and then we will start. We have 50. Okay, so let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Rushil Sachdeva. I'm basically from Mumbai, and I work in Abu Dhabi's first eco retreat, which is called Pura Vida. And I'm doing this live session from Dubai. So interesting, a lot of places involved. So good. First of all, thank you Amul India for giving this opportunity for all home chefs. Because since COVID came and everybody was in a lockdown, this came as a very good surprise, and people were really engaged in this. So thank you Amul India for this opportunity. And without wasting time, I think let's begin our session. So to start with, today we're going to do 2 interesting dishes. So the first one is a watermelon and Amul cottage cheese, the cheese which you see here. The watermelon and the cottage cheese salad with a very interesting walnut and olive oil and honey dressing. And the next dish what we're going to prepare is a very healthy oats and cottage cheese again, tikki. We're going with a very nice avocado chutney. So let's begin. Let me show you my ingredients and then we will start. Okay, so here we have everything for the tikki. Okay, so we have some oats to begin with, which is the most important ingredient. I have some brown poha which is already soaked. Okay, I'm not using normal potato. I'm using sweet potato. Okay, और यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा स्प्रिंग अनियन है, अमूल चीज़ है जो ग्रेट करके रखा है. वी हैव सम चॉप्ड अनियन, वी हैव सम चॉप्ड मिंट, वी हैव सम धनिया. ओके, एंड थोड़े से मसाले भी हैं. सो फॉर पीपल जो अभी आए हैं, एंड हियर इज़ द चीज़. ओके, सो फॉर पीपल जो अभी ज्वाइन किए हैं, वेलकम टू दिस अमूल फेसबुक लाइव कुकिंग शो. माय नेम इज़ रुशिल, मेरा नाम रुशिल है. मैं बेसिकली बॉम्बे से हूँ, मुंबई का रहने वाला हूँ, एंड मैं अबू धाबी में काम करता हूँ और मैं ये लाइव सेशन दुबई से कर रहा हूँ. सो इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, एनीथिंग, यू कैन फील फ्री टू आस्क मी. आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू आंसर. और सेशन होने के बाद आई विल शेयर द रेसिपी ऑल्सो ऑन द पोस्ट, सो आप लोग सब देख सकते हैं. ओके, तो जैसे कि मैंने बताया, हम 2 डिशेस बनाने वाले. एक तो है वाटरमेलन एंड अमूल चीज़ का सैलेड, विच इज़ वेरी हेल्दी, वेरी क्विक, वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग. जनरली इसमें यू कैन यूज इवन हलूमी चीज़ जो कि बहुत इजीली यहाँ पे यूएई में मिलता है, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज फेटा. बट हम लोग आज अमूल का मलाई पनीर चीज़ यूज करेंगे. ओके, एंड द अदर डिश जो मैं बनाने वाला हूँ वो है एक बहुत ही हेल्दी ओट्स और पनीर की टिक्की, जिसमें हम थोड़ा सा पोहा भी डालेंगे, जिसमें हम थोड़ा ग्रीन पीस भी डालेंगे, चीज भी डालेंगे और स्वीट पोटैटो यूज करेंगे इंस्टेड ऑफ द नॉर्मल पोटैटो। वी विल डू इट अ लिटिल हेल्दी। वैसे भी जब हम लोग अमूल का नाम सुनते तो द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हिच कम्स टू आवर माइंड इज चीज। एवरीथिंग इज सो cheesy. So let's try to do something healthy out of that. Okay, so let's begin. So we'll start with the टिक्की. So I'll show you. I've already prepared something. मैंने कुछ चीजें already बना के यहाँ ready रखी है. So let's start with the poha. So basically 2 big spoons of this is basically brown rice poha. It is already soaked and kept. Okay. Then we are going to add some green peas. Normal green peas है जो आप घर पे boil करके रख सकते हैं या boiled वाला भी use कर सकते हैं. You can use any vegetables for that matter. Okay, we will use 2 spoons of this. Okay, इसमें हम we will add our malai paneer. This is nothing but your normal Amul paneer, which is grated and kept. Okay, so we'll be generous with this. इसके हम लोग करीब 4 spoons डाल देंगे, 4 to 5 spoons. Okay, and then we go on to some chopped mint, which is already chopped and kept. Okay, this is just for flavor. Okay, we have some coriander here, also for flavor. Okay, then we are going to put some spring onions. Okay, spring onions also add a little bit of flavor and the crunch in it, so it's very interesting. Okay, then we are going to add some chopped onion. थोड़ा सा प्याज बारीक कटा हुआ है. Okay, also for the crunch, the texture and the flavor. Okay, and then we have some grated Amul cheese, just already grated and kept. Okay, just for the taste. Okay, then coming to the most important part of the dish, oats. This is nothing but normal oats जो आप घर पे यूज करते हैं, very easily available. Okay, so normal Quaker oats है. This is very good for health, very good fiber, very good carbohydrate. So yes, we'll be generous with this. 3-4 spoon of the oats. Very good. And then we get on to some of our seasoning which we're going to put. Okay, so मैं यहाँ पे I'm going to use coriander powder, a little bit of haldi powder and red chili powder and some chaat masala. Chaat masala will bring out the dish. I mean, it will pep it up. So let's put the seasoning. Okay, so we have some coriander powder here. Okay, फिर हम थोड़ा हल्दी डालेंगे. Then we are going to put some normal red chili. हाँ, इसमें आप लोग चाहिए तो normal chopped green chilies भी डाल सकते हैं. मैंने नहीं डाला actually because I am not a very big chili fan honestly. तो मैं spicy खाना पसंद नहीं करता हूँ इसलिए. But you can always put chopped green chilies also. और कोई भी और भी vegetables जो आप डालना चाहते हैं वो भी डाल सकते हैं. Okay, so you see all the things are right inside. Then we're going to put this is nothing but normal sweet potato है जो मैंने boil करके chop करके रखा हुआ है. You can also use normal potatoes. You can also use कच्चा केला for that matter. This is just for binding. Okay, because हमको इन टिक्की का डो बनाने के लिए we have to bring everything together. Okay, so now you see it's all coming together and you have to make this. आपको इसको एक दिन पहले या 2-3 घंटे पहले बना के रखना अच्छा है, because oats also will need some time to soak and get together to the dough to come together. Okay, so now we will put the sweet potato. Okay, let's put half, then we will see. Okay, ज़्यादा भी नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, then what you can do is let's get dirty. Let's put our hands inside. Okay, let's not forget the most important thing. Okay, salt आप अपने taste और उसके हिसाब से डालिए. Okay, and then we go on to make this. अगर आपको लगता है कोई चीज़ कम हो रहा है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा वेट है, यू कैन ऐड सम मोर ओट्स. ओके, अगर आपको लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई है, यू कैन ऐड सम मोर स्वीट पोटैटो. So that is okay, you know, because you don't know. So yes, अब आप देखेंगे. So all this, you know, when it comes together, एक बहुत बढ़िया सा एक टिक्की का डो बन जाएगा. इसको आप नॉर्मल भी बना के खा सकते हैं. इसको आप दही के साथ अपनी आलू टिक्की और वो उसके साथ भी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. मतलब यू नो, यू कैन मेक इट लाइक अ वेज बर्गर एंड ईट इट. You can make it like a normal tikki on in between bread slices and eat it. So you know, as you like. Now what we are going to do is, अभी हम थोड़ा इसको बनाने के बाद, you know, you can roughly, actually you can taste also. आप अभी इस स्टेज पे इसको टेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं कि नमक, all your seasoning is all fine. I mean, कुछ चीज़ ज़्यादा कुछ कम तो नहीं है. So this is a stage where you can check it. And honestly, इसको अगर आप थोड़ी देर बना के रखेंगे तो बहुत बढ़िया रहेगा, क्योंकि ये डो एक तरह से सही हो जाएगा. इट विल कम ऑल टुगेदर एंड इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू मेक डो, आई मीन मेक रोल्स, मेक द कटलेट्स, मेक द टिक्कीज एंड फ्राई इट लेटर. सो आई विल शो यू वन. व्हाट वी कैन डू इज, आप इसको जब टिक्की बनाना चाहें, जस्ट वेट योर हैंड अ लिटिल. दोनों हाथ को गीला करके थोड़ा थोड़ा सा ये अपने बीच में हाथ में लेके एंड जस्ट इसको इस तरह से आप शेप दे सकते हैं. Let's keep it here. So you see, it is so simple. कितना टाइम लगा हमको बनाने में? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. And mostly, I mean, generally अगर आपके पास you have something which is left over also, you know, you can use and incorporate in this. So it's like making use of your leftovers also. So you see, this is how our tikki will look like. Okay, great. So as I told you, you can give it any shape. You want to make it a small tikki, you want to make it like a big cutlet, you want to make it like a burger, flat, you know, whatever you want to do. The options are endless. Okay, now let's go on to our next salad. Like we see, the tikki is already ready. Okay, the chutney for this, which is the the avocado chutney, which is nothing but एक avocado को मिक्सर ब्लेंडर में blend किया है with some green chili, little bit of coriander, little bit of mint, and little bit of लेमन जूस. एंड आप इसमें एक चम्मच दही भी डाल सकते हैं टू गेट दैट थिकनेस. ओके, सो इट इज अ वेरी टैंगी, वेरी नाइस. अगेन, एवोकाडो इज वेरी हेल्दी. इट इज गुड फैट्स which you can incorporate in your everyday diet. So so the chutney is already ready, but I will share the recipe with you. Okay, and let's get on to our salad. Let's start prepping for that. And if you see, I have already prepared some tikkis and kept beforehand so that it will be easy for us to cook and for me to show you guys. In the meantime, we'll just get our gas going. Okay, so coming to the salad now, watermelon and cottage cheese salad. Okay, so here what you can do is, मैंने already एक watermelon का heart, हार्ट इज द बेसिकली जो बीच का पार्ट होता है वाटरमेलन का, उसको काट के क्लीन करके रखा हुआ है. आप इसमें नॉर्मल पीसेस भी ले सकते हैं, बट क्या होता है उसमें सीड्स होते हैं ज़्यादातर, तो यू हैव टू बी लिटिल केयरफुल. इफ यू कैन ट्राई टू मेक इट विदाउट सीड्स, इट विल बी बेटर. खाने में भी मज़ा आएगा. सो यू कैन ट्राई टू यूज द इनसाइड पार्ट ऑफ द वाटरमेलन. बाकी वाटरमेलन को यू कैन जस्ट कट एंड ईट, एंड आप उसका जूस भी बना सकते हैं. Okay, and then I have something called as Amul का cottage cheese, मलाई पनीर, जो आप यहाँ पे ये देख रहे हैं डब्बा. This is nothing but here. So what we will do is, हम लोग इस पनीर को छोटे छोटे पीसेस में काट के हल्का सा मैरिनेशन करके इसको थोड़ा सा पैन में सीयर कर लेंगे. Okay, by the time we start cooking our thing here. So इस पनीर के पीसेस को आप इस साइज में, I hope everybody can see. Okay. So those who have just come in the middle and those who have just joined, hello and welcome to this Facebook live session where I am Rushil from Mumbai, working in Abu Dhabi and doing this session from Dubai. I'm making a healthy oats and cottage cheese tikki with a nice avocado chutney, and on the other hand we have a salad with watermelon and cottage cheese. Okay, so here like you see, paneer के pieces को हमने normal, not very thin, not very thick काट के एक ट्रे में अरेंज करके रखा है, एंड देन इसमें हम बेसिक सीजनिंग करेंगे. ओके, नथिंग ग्रेट. आप चाहते हैं तो यू कैन पुट सम रेड चिली ऑल्सो, बट आई विल जस्ट कीप इट सिंपल विद ओनली सॉल्ट. We are also going to have a dressing for this salad, so be careful that don't put too much salt here. Okay, and when the cheese is already marinated, okay, we are going to cook this cottage cheese. And here what you can do is, I generally prefer to use ghee a lot, so I have Amul ghee here. So हम इसको थोड़ा सा हल्का सा अमूल घी में, आप इसके लिए बटर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ऑलिव ऑयल भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, रिफाइंड ऑयल, एनीथिंग विच सूट्स. मैं यहाँ पे अमूल घी का यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, विच इज़ वेरी नाइस. पैन को हमको एकदम, यू डोंट हैव टू मेक द पैन वेरी हॉट, एकदम. एंड देन व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल स्टार्ट टू फ्राई द पीसेस ऑफ पनीर. It's a very interesting and a very refreshing salad, especially when it comes to summers. Because watermelon is, of course, we all know it's so juicy, and summers में हम पसंद करते हैं वो खाना. Makes a very interesting salad. तो ना हम इसको थोड़ा हाई फ्लेम कर देंगे अब. Yes, you see, we just have to give it a little bit of color. Okay, इसको पूरी तरह पकाना नहीं है. You can just maybe wait for some more time, and then we will prepare a nice walnut lemon honey dressing for this. Like मैंने बताया, आप इस कॉटेज चीज़ में आप चाहें तो इसमें थोड़ा मैरिनेशन अपने मनपसंद का भी कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू पुट सम रेड चिली, इफ़ यू वांट टू पुट सम spices or something, just to make it more interesting. Cooking is all about what you learn and what you apply. आप अपना experience and अपना ये भी apply कर सकते हैं. There is nothing. See, wow, you have a nice. This is what we are looking for. Nice color. Okay. So great. Now what we will do is, इसको जब हम शेयर करते हैं तो ये पनीर जो कि थोड़ा हार्ड रहता है, it becomes really soft and it becomes very nice, gives you a very nice mouthfeel to eat also. Okay, so that is also a reason why we do this. Good, great. We have good color on the cottage cheese. Okay, now you can see. Wow, I think this is what we want. So what we'll do is हम इसको भी थोड़ा साइड में कर देंगे, and we'll get another pan for our टिक्की. तो जब तक ये पैन हीट हो रहा है टिक्की के लिए, what we're going to do is हम अपने जिस पनीर को हमने अभी सौते किया, we'll take it out in a pan and we'll just keep it. And actually we can use the same pan also for the tikki because it is something. So let's get ready with that. You see the cottage cheese here, very nice color. This is what we want. Again, let's get to, let's get to frying shallow. I mean, cooking our tikkis. Again, you don't need to deep fry this. It has to be just pan seared because everything inside is cooked. इसमें हर चीज जो हमने डाला है is cooked. हाँ हेमा जी, you can add herbs and oregano and parsley also, but generally थोड़ा टिक्की टाइप है तो मैंने इसमें इंडियन herbs डाले हैं, so to give that Indian thing. वैसे you can add that, so it's not a problem. Okay, now the pan is nice and ready, so we'll start to fry our tikkis. Like I told you, इसमें हर चीज़ cooked है, तो आपको बस इसको अच्छे से गर्म करना है अंदर से, and you have to get that nice color, on the outside. बाकी इसमें कोई और ज़्यादा cooking या उस चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay. So again, we're going to put some more ghee. You can be generous with ghee. Ghee also plays a very important role in adding taste and adding flavor and adding that relativity value to the food. So ghee is very important, especially for Punjabis like me. It is very important. I'm sure whoever is watching will agree to that. Okay, so now हम इसको थोड़ा सा धीमी आंच पे रखेंगे. Okay, not very high, so that they get a nice color. थोड़ा और घी ताकि ये चिपके ना. Okay, and then we'll get down to making our dressing. Okay, so for the walnut dressing, I have some walnuts here, normal walnuts. Okay, I have some lemon. आप lime भी use कर सकते हैं, and basically जो भी चीज़ available है. Okay, and then we have some honey, and we have olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Normal olive oil also can do. The extra virgin is better because extra virgin is generally from the first press, so वो काफ़ी it's very good for when you make salads or when when you're using for sauteing and all that stuff. Okay, so just keeping an eye on our tikkis here. What we will do is we will just roughly chop these the walnuts, so that they give you that nice crunchy texture. इसको एकदम पाउडर नहीं बनाना है, मतलब बस हल्का एक ही बार चलाया and that's it. You don't have to make it like a powder. And then what you do is you're going to add the other things, but we'll quickly check our tikkis also, how they are shaping up. We don't want them to burn. So जो हमने पहले डाली थी, wow, look at the color, beautiful. Very nice. So see, this is what we want, and then beautiful. Beautiful. See, so this is what we are looking at. This is what we are aiming at, to get some nice golden brown color on them. Okay. So important, no color, no flavor. So color is very important. Okay, let's continue with our dressing. Okay, it already has walnut inside here. Okay, and now we're going to put what we're going to do here is we will put some salt, of course, very important. थोड़ा सा हनी जाएगा इसमें. Okay. A little bit of olive oil. See, जब हम cooking करते हैं ना, basically there is a basic principle जो हम follow करते हैं. You try to add, कोई भी dish आप बनाते हैं, you try to add different flavors, you try to add different tastes, so that they come together and give you that, they give you that perfect feeling of everything everything matching up and marrying up together very nicely. There has to be different textures. That's why you see we are using walnuts. You know, there is watermelon which is fresh. There is cottage cheese which is again soft, and so you know different flavors, different textures coming together give you that wow feeling. So I think our tikkis are cooking nice. Okay, we already put walnuts here. हमने इसमें walnut डाल दिया है, salt डाल दिया है, honey डाल दिया है, olive oil भी डाल दिया है. Now we will put some lemon. So generally when we cook, we put the lemon. उसको आप थोड़ा सा squeeze कर लीजिए. So it's easy to take out the juice. Okay, and then there you go. You put the lemon. And then you just mix it up. Okay. थोड़ा हनी थिक होगा ना तो आपको थोड़ा सा एफर्ट लेना पड़ेगा to mix it so that all the lemon, all the honey and all the olive oil they come together and they become one. Like you know, you see, it will become like this. Something which is very easy to play with and not very difficult. Okay, and then what you can do is just taste. Wow, just perfect. So our dressing is ready. Our tikkis are almost ready. They are almost cooked. Okay. So wow, we are ready to go. Okay, then what we will do is we will start making the salad first, and then we will do the tikki. Okay. अब भाई इतना अच्छा खाना बनाया तो उसको अच्छी तरह प्लेट भी करना पड़ेगा ना, उसको अच्छी तरह प्रेजेंट भी करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि like they say everybody eats first from their eyes, so food also has to look very good. I know food has to taste very good also, but it has to also look very good. So okay, let's do that. And also at home आप लोग भी ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें घर पे ट्राई कर सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि बाहर रेस्टोरेंट में जाके ही हम भाई वो शोशा वाला खाना खाएंगे, ये खाएंगे. All this you can do at home also to make your meals interesting, to make your everyday cooking interesting, and to you know add that variety and spice in your life, right? Great. So okay, I have here some arugula जिसको मैंने पहले ही clean करके रखा है. This is nothing but जर्जीर, जिसको बोलते हैं रोका बोलते हैं, और अरुगुला रॉकेट लीव्स बोलते हैं. आप कोई भी ले सकते हैं, इसमें कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमको यही लेना है. So you can take anything what you have. And okay, like our watermelon is ready. So watermelon के भी हम लोग जितने साइज के हमने ये काटा है, the पनीर हम उसी साइज में काटेंगे. Okay. Should be enough. Okay, now let's put this salad together. So we'll take some of the roka leaves. Okay. इसको हमने बीच के प्लेट के बीच में ऐसे अरेंज कर दिया. And then what we're going to do is cottage cheese और watermelon का लेयर बनाते हुए हम इसको अरेंज करेंगे. You see how different colors coming along. वैसे ही अभी देखने में इतना बढ़िया लग रहा है. मुझे पता है बहुत लोगों को, आप लोगों को खाने का मन भी कर रहा होगा. So I will share the recipe and then you can always make this at home. Wow. Okay, so हमारा salad is ready. Now what we're going to do is we will use the dressing, and I have a very nice basil thing here. I will just cut and keep this ready for the garnish. आप इसमें कोई भी चीज़ use कर सकते हैं. It's not really you have to use basil. You can use maybe a sprig of mint also. Here we go. So now the final touch. Ta-da! Okay, our dressing is ready. आपने इस dressing को फाइनल एक शेक कर दिया, and then just go on top, putting everything on top. Wow, looks amazing. And then this beautiful basil leaf को हम इसे गार्निश कर देंगे. Wow, isn't it beautiful? So your salad is ready, which is nothing but watermelon, Amul cottage cheese, some roca leaves, and then a very interesting dressing made from walnut, olive oil, and lemon juice. Okay, now it is time to plate our tikki. So like I said, टिक्की के लिए मैंने थोड़ा सॉस पहले ही रेडी करके रखा हुआ है. पार्सल भेज देंगे भाई, बॉम्बे पार्सल पहुंचने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा. गोवा या ओके. सो जस्ट टू मेक इट इंटरेस्टिंग, यू हैव दिस चटनी. आप इससे कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. अच्छा, मेरे पास घर पे एक स्क्वीजी बॉटल था, तो आई सेड व्हाई नॉट मेक इट लुक नाइस. सेकंड. I know this lockdown has given birth to so many hidden chefs and hidden talents in India. So because हम सब लोग घर पे थे, कुछ करने को था नहीं, okay चलो cooking करते हैं. So very good, that's nice. So that's also about life. We don't know what all hidden talents and what all qualities we have until we go on to discover it. Okay, so I have my chutney which is in the bowl here. Okay. So I'm going to do a little bit of artistic plating. This is also not very simple, difficult. Oh wow! So you have some chutney on the base. Then we have our tikki which is ready. अब हम tikki को लेके इसमें plate करेंगे. Interesting. Great. See, you see the tikkis have got very nice golden color, crust, and like I told you, इसमें सब चीज cooked है. Everything is cooked, so we had to do nothing basically. It is just you have to give color, you have to make sure that it is all reheated. Okay. Then let's start with the tikki. 1, 2, 3. Wow. 4. Great. And then what we're going to do is we have some garnish. जो मैंने इसके लिए थोड़ा सा salad पहले से ही काट के रखा हुआ है, which is nothing but some carrot julienne and beetroot. मैंने आपको बोला था ना, जब तक खाना टेस्ट करने में तो अच्छा होगा, बट देखने में भी अच्छा होता है, तो इसको खाने में भी मज़ा आता है. राइट और रॉन्ग? वाओ. देन we need to add some more color. We have some pomegranate. Beautiful. अब आप इसको मिला के एक साथ with the chutney, with the pomegranate and with everything, जब आप खाएंगे, oh my god, trust me, you will enjoy. Isn't it beautiful, guys? So yes, this is it. So thank you everybody for watching, and whoever came in late, a quick recap of what we did. My name is Rushil, and I work as a head chef for Eco Retreat in Abu Dhabi. I'm basically from Mumbai, और हमने आज यहाँ पे 2 बहुत बढ़िया रेसिपीज बनाई जो कि प्योर वेजिटेरियन है, प्योर वेजिटेरियन है and very easy to make. We use Amul paneer, okay, in both the recipes, and I also use ghee to cook it. So talking about the first one, which is the salad, which is watermelon and cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is lightly marinated, हल्का सा marination है उसमें, और घी में उसको थोड़ा सा हमने pan fry किया है, arranged with the watermelon, and then we have a very nice tangy interesting dressing which is walnut, olive oil, lemon juice and honey, and then we have arranged it on some salad leaves. I have used roca here, and yeah, And then I have the second dish, which is nothing but a very healthy tikki. I've used, instead of using our normal potato, I've used sweet potato, and like I told you, you can also use, आप अरबी यूज कर सकते हैं, आप कच्चा केला यूज कर सकते हैं, आप चाहिए तो नॉर्मल पोटैटो भी यूज कर सकते हैं. So it is up to you, you know. And I try to use, like मैंने इसमें जैसे बोला, हमने इसमें थोड़ा पोहा डाला है, थोड़ा ग्रीन पीस डाला है, थोड़ा सा काफ़ी सारा ओट्स डाला है, to get that binding, to get that heaviness. It's quite heavy, it's quite good अगर आप खाएंगे. Okay. And then of course you have a little bit of your seasoning, थोड़े से herbs डाले हैं. Of course you can use rosemary and all that also, like somebody asked, but since it was an Indian thing, I have kept all the spices and herbs also Indian. Okay. And whatever, if you have something, you know, leftover, आप इसमें ये भी डाल सकते हैं. And the most important thing, yes, grated paneer, of course, because उसके बगैर तो taste ही नहीं आएगा. I mean, grated paneer, grated cheddar cheese. Yeah, the only thing which we have cheated here is the paneer, the cheese. Otherwise, everything is so healthy. हमने इसको बहुत कम घी में पकाया. We didn't use too much of fat also, so it was nice. And जो base पे आप चटनी देख रहे हैं, which is nothing but one avocado, okay. One avocado को हमने प्यूरी किया है with थोड़ा सा green chili. Green chili basically depends on आपका spice level क्या है. थोड़ा सा mint है उसमें, okay. थोड़ा सा दही है, like I told you, थोड़ा lemon juice है, salt है. So it's basically थोड़ा धनिया भी है, right? थोड़ा धनिया भी है. So it's like our normal चटनी जो हम बनाते हैं, but उसको मैंने थोड़ा सा thick कर दिया, adding avocado. एवोकाडो से क्या होता है, थोड़ा सा टेक्सचर भी आ जाता है, चटनी becomes thick, खाने में भी अच्छा लगता है. And avocado वैसे ही है, like I told you, it's a very healthy thing. So you know, you should try to inculcate avocado in your diet and in your daily kind of food what you eat. So very simple, very interesting. And हमने basic carrot और beetroot लेके उसको थोड़ा attractive भी कर दिया है, ताकि you know देखने में भी अच्छा लगे. So yes, this is it. Great. And any questions, guys? Anything you want to ask me? No, this is not mustard sauce, man. There is no mustard sauce. This is the avocado chutney, like I told you. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, all my family members, my friends, all of you who are watching on Facebook Live right now. Thank you so much. And I'm just going through the comments to see. Yeah, I'm sure आपको ये सब खाने के लिए you will have to either come to see me, or if I, you know, when we meet, or you can try this at home. It is so simple. You know, you have this video, you saw how we did it so quickly, so you can try this at home, and I'll share the recipe also, so it will be easy. And yes, I'm just going through the comments. If there's any questions or anything. Good, I think we're good. So very good. Thank you so much, and I would like to once again thanks Amul for giving this chance to everybody to use their free time and come up with creative dishes like home. Like I told you, everybody has that hidden talent. Sometimes we just need to discover it. And this lockdown, in a way, has given us this opportunity, you know, where we have so many of chefs coming up, you know, who have been cooking so seriously at home, and also very good, very interesting. And it's been a very trying and testing time for all of us. Especially, I would like to give this message to all the young students, especially hotel management students who are trying to, you know, get out and get jobs. I know the situation is not really right. But this too shall pass. So everything will get back to normal. Don't get bogged down by all this. Keep your motivation, keep your inspiration high. Try to always find to do something. And you know, sometimes you also have to feed your passion. So you need to take a lot of efforts, learning new things, trying new things, and you know. So that's all I would like to say. Any other questions, or we can call it day. Thank you, everybody, once again. Thanks a lot. Thank you, family. Thank you, my friends, and thank you, everybody. I've shared my blog also. I do write about food. The blog address is right at the post, and I'm also on Instagram. So I keep sharing my experiences with food over there. So you can follow me on Instagram to see some more new things which we keep trying in our eco retreat in Abu Dhabi. So yes, I think we can call it shorts. Thank you once again. Bye bye. If there is any other questions or anything you want to ask me, you can leave it on the comments and I will definitely reply. Thank you so much. Thank you, Amol. Bye bye.